For our Seahorse, we'll be using 2 balloons. I've got a green 160 with about a 3-inch tail on it, and then I've got a yellow 260 with about a 2 to 2.5 inch tail on it. We're going to start with the 260 and start at the nozzle end by making 2 pinch twists, about a 1/2 inch, no bigger than a 1/2 inch bubble. When you make this first pinch twist, make sure you grab the knot, not just the loose end of the balloon. Twist that around and make your second pinch twist. So now we have 2 pinch twists on the very end of the balloon. Position them just like that. Now make about a 1-inch bubble and then 2 more pinch twists. And these need to be small as well, so no bigger than a 1/2 inch. Maybe. There we go. And then position them on opposite sides of the balloon, just like that. Now make about an 1.5 inch bubble, and then make about a 1-inch bubble, another 1-inch bubble, and then another bubble the same size as that 1.5 inch one that we made. I've got a little diamond going here. Should have 4 bubbles. Now you want to come back and twist into this second set of pinch twists that we made. So just twist the excess right around into that. You should have something like that. Rather strange looking creature. Now what you want to do is you're going to come back, we're going to take these back two small bubbles here and twist them together. Now you have to hold on to that because it's not going to stay until you get this other locked in. Once you've got that, squeeze it sort of soft, then lay that alongside there and just twist that around where you twisted those together to lock those into place just like that. That's going to be the head of our Seahorse. Now what we want to do is we're going to make about a 2-inch bubble for the neck, then about a 2 to 2.5 inch bubble, another one about the same size, lock those together, one more, and roll that through, make a bird body there. This is the main body of our Seahorse, and I'm going to take his tail and give it a little curl, like that. Okay, now we're going to take our 160, take the nozzle in, and twist the nozzle up into, you're looking at the head of the Seahorse, these are his ears up on top, so twist them at the base of his ears. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make a string of pearls running down his neck to this top half of that bird body there. So however many it takes, make about 3 or 4 little small bubbles, and then twist them around, secure into his neck there. That's going to be his mane. Now we're going to make his 2 fins. So make about a 2 to 2.5 inch bubble, then make a little small bubble and make that a pinch twist, and then 3 little small bubbles to make a mini string of pearls. One more pinch twist, that last one. So you should have your bubble, a pinch twist, 3 little round ones, and then 1 more pinch twist. Then we need another bubble slightly smaller than this one, and just twist it back in at the same point there. Wrap it around. That's 1 fin. Now we just need to repeat the process for the other. We'll straighten them all up in a minute here. He's not going to want to lay very straight, so don't worry about it just yet. So you make your about a 2.5 inch bubble, your first pinch twist, your 3, and then your 4th one. Pinch twist that last one, and then your bubble to return back up to his body here. And once you've got that there, you'll put the shorter bubbles down. Oops, I got that one upside down. There we go. And you can sort of tuck them into that bird body there, and then they'll stay out a little better like that. Just tuck those down inside there a little bit. There's his fins. Now with what you have left, we need 1 more string of pearls going down his back to connect down here. And mine is a little bit tight. However many it's there. 4 will get me there. And then we need to make 2 pinch twists. This is going to be fun because this is really tight. At the very base to hold that all in place. And any excess that we have we're going to remove, just like that. Let's tie that off so that will stay better. And redo our pinch twist. And if you'll position those two bottom pinch twists on opposite sides, turn its tail, because if you look at a seahorse, their tail curls back up in toward the front there. Straighten them all up, and let's draw some eyes right up here on his head. And there's your little seahorse.